Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can listen in private mode or private sessions on Spotify. So if you listen to some songs on Spotify but you don't want your friends or followers in Spotify to know what you're currently listening into, you can start a private sessions. And to start one, you can just open your Spotify on your laptop or computer and then click on your name here at the top, your account, and then you can see there is an options to go with private session. So just click on that, and now the private session will be activated so that everything that you listen into your friends can find out. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, thanks, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!